Well, I'm standing in the boiler room. Now, I have been wanting for years to get in here and film, and I just pushed it all off and pushed it off. This boiler room has been shut down for years. They don't use it anymore, and that's good too. Anyways, the people who work here, majority of them have no clue this room even exists. It's the only room in the buildings that's not used. So that gives me an opportunity to film it. Now, I'm doubtful it's haunted, but it's creepy. And if you look closely, you might see Freddy Krueger and think you're dreaming. Just kidding. Anyway, let's check it out. This was not an easy process, cleaning this thing out all the time. It would take a full day and you'd be filthy cleaning it out. Like I said, it's useless now, but creepy. Everything about it's creepy. Just show you around, Opie. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Everybody there. Ooh. I mean, when they shut it down, they just left everything in here, just like it was, because it was useless. Big drums of acid. Now, I have worked in here by myself, but other than that, typically people don't come in here. It's got its own little bathroom. If you do find yourself working in here, you got your own little bathroom, which hasn't been used in years. Old iron paint. Probably asbestos all in here. So I was also going to do like a spirit talker or whatever, but I'm using my phone, and well, I can't do that. I also came up with the idea, well, I'll just screenshot what I get, and we'll skip that. But maybe we will hear something. I don't know. Is this place haunted? And if you're here, can you say something into my camera? Nasty. Like I said, when they left everything. Just like it is. Said we ain't working in here no more. So yeah, the only thing that comes in here is a couple of us every now and then. And chipmunks and rats. Alright, so that took a little bit. I had to climb up. That's what you've seen. So that wasn't the prettiest thing in the world as far as photography. But I just climbed up that ladder. So there you go. So I know that wasn't much, but I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Love you.